So let's talk just briefly about these couple of words that are being bandied around a lot at the moment: explicit instruction and structured learning. Key piece that I wanted to share with you is that when you look up the dictionary definition of explicit, it simply means clear and accurate. So really key piece for us to see is that our instruction needs to be in mathematics, very clear and very accurate. One of the beautiful things about maths is that it does not have the same complexities as English. It does not have the same complexities as every other language because there are so many components of maths where we have rules and the rules are stuck to. There are a couple of exceptions, but very minimal compared to other languages. So key piece I just wanted to share was this piece, making sure that your instruction is accurate, that it's clear, that it actually progresses a student and that it focuses on student understanding first. When I did the TEDx talk on maths as a language, I liken the way that we typically teach maths to me putting in front of you or somebody else these Japanese squiggles and inviting you and telling you that you need to memorize them. It would just be ludicrous. We wouldn't do it with adults ever, yet typically we do it with children every single day of their lives. And we wonder why they're stressed, we wonder why they're anxious, we wonder why they start thinking that maybe there's a problem with them, or even that they're dumb or stupid, and all of these words that start coming into their vocabulary because of the way that we've taught them. So we teach you a way of teaching maths that means that you're actually able to take an understanding of how to teach language. You're starting with the concrete and building understanding. You're creating body memory. You're creating an opportunity for that student to see a picture. You know, we say a picture is worth 1,000 words. So let's create pictures of maths that are consistent, that reduce cognitive load, and that make this so simple for the student. We've developed a training that means that's taught in a very structured and very sequential way. That means you have all of the tools that you need, a video for you to be able to understand lesson, demonstration video for you to see how to teach that with the manipulatives, a methodology with the I-CRAVE methodology, and then also student workbooks, assessments, and other resources. That means you've got a complete package that you can rely on. You know it's evidence-based, you know it's research-informed, and you know that it takes response to intervention, multi-tiered systems of support, trauma-informed practice, cognitive load theory, all of these understandings, and actually applies it. It's one of the key pieces we see in education is that there's all this theory, all this talk, all this research, but how do we actually bring that into practice? And that's what we've nailed. After 25 years of all of our experience, we've actually brought all of those components, we've built on what we've learned and understood, and we've encapsulated that into a way that means it's simple for you to follow. You identify where the student's up to, you start with the concrete, move to the representational that's accurate, move to the abstract, ensure there's verbalisation and that every part of your teaching is explicit, clear and accurate. I hope you'll join us. Look forward to hearing from you.